guys, this is another new video on SQL injection. In this video we will see types of SQL injection and SQL injection further divided into three types. So first is in-band SQL injection, next is blind SQL injection and out-of-band SQL injection. Basically these are the three major types of SQL injection. In-band SQL injection and blind SQL injection also further divided into two types. And in-band SQL injection can be error based and union based. Blind SQL injection can be boolean based and time based. We will see each and every part how it is working and every types of SQL injection. So let's begin with that. So first is in-band SQL injection. In-band SQL injection also known as traditional SQL injection. In this, if we are injecting some malicious SQL query, or you can say SQLite payload into vulnerable web application, and if the web application showing us the direct result into the application response, then it is in-band SQL injection. Now I'm giving you one scenario. Let's suppose there is an attacker and this attacker can inject something malicious into vulnerable web application. This is vulnerable web application you can see, and this attacker inject some malicious SQL query you can see on the screen, and this SQL query this attacker injecting into vulnerable web application. After that, vulnerable web application interacting with the database, and this database directly giving the response, or you can say the result of this query into the vulnerable web application, and this attacker can easily see the response. So this is in-band SQL injection. Now we are moving forward towards the error-based SQL injection. So error-based SQL injection also one of the part of in-band SQL injection, means there is direct response into the vulnerable web application if we are injecting something malicious, or you can say malicious SQL query. So in error-based SQL injection, and its name also say that something error we are receiving from the backend. Means if we are injecting something malicious or something single quote or SQLite based something unrelevant query into the vulnerable web application, and the web application interacting with the backend or database, and database giving us the direct response as something error. If we can see something error after the you can say the result of our malicious SQL query, then it is error-based SQL injection. Let's suppose there is one scenario. Imagine you are ordering food at a restaurant and you are able to give very specific instruction about how you want your meal prepared. Meaning you are giving something order about your food in the restaurant and give something specific instruction about your food, like you have to follow this, you have to follow this and make my food like this. And the chef going to the kitchen and chef doing something different apart from your instruction, like he is doing something different, like mixing up ingredients or forgetting to cook something, and you can see what is a chef doing in the kitchen, something different or wrong. So this is something error or something different. So you can see this is the non-technical scenario. Now I'm giving you the technical scenario. Now again you can see attacker, and this attacker again inject some malicious query or you can say malicious SQL query into vulnerable web application, and the query is a select star from products where name equal to something value xyz or something name, and the single quote. Here the single quote is a main thing. This is irrelevant thing we are injecting, and or you can say attacker injecting, and now vulnerable web application interacting to the database, and database giving something error, meaning there is nothing value about name equal to xyz and single quote in the database, and database saying syntax error in SQL injection. So we can say that, and or you can say we can assume after this syntax error, or you can say this error message, there can be possibility of SQL injection. So this is error based SQL injection. So moving forward towards next type, union based SQL injection. In this SQL injection we are using union keyword. Now this union keyword we are using in the SQL injection, or you can say SQL, for retrieving data from the other tables in the database. So you can see which is like you can say union is like telling the database, hey, let's combine some information. So this is the scenario. Let's say I'm giving you again the scenario. Again, this attacker injecting some union based malicious SQL query into the vulnerable web application, and you can see single quote union select null username and some pipes, or you can see the whole query. So this is basically we are retrieving the username and the password from the users table. Okay, so this is the scenario, and again this vulnerable web application interacting to the database and retrieve the username and password from the users table. So this is the scenario union based SQL injection. So guys, moving forward, blind SQL injection. Blind SQL injection working if the traditional SQL injection not working. So this is the another major part of SQL injection. In this injection, if we are injecting some malicious SQL query into the vulnerable web application, and the web application not giving a result into the application response, or we can't see our result directly into the application response, then it is a blind SQL injection. Let's suppose, imagine you are trying to guess a secret number that someone is thinking of. They are not telling you the number directly, but they are giving you hints whether you are guessing like your guesses are right or wrong. Means like if your guess is something and your guess is right or wrong, means if the web application not showing something directly or result directly, but there can be some guess we can try off. So let's see the scenario. So there is scenario example, username and the password. You can see the values of username and password. And the first scenario is, if this is the web application and if we are injecting this username and password, and of course these are not right username and password, you can say not right login credential, and after that web application showing us a normal message, invalid username or password. This is not the SQL query. This is this is not the backend response from, and we can't say this is there can be possibility of SQL injection. So this is not. But the second scenario, you can see we are again injecting, and if this web application is vulnerable to blind SQL injection, then of course the credential is not right, but you can see the welcome back message. This welcome back message is we can guess, or this vulnerable web application showing something different, means not direct response from the database, like something error, but, or you can say something direct result, but something it is showing like a welcome back message, or you can say something different this web application showing. So we can see, or we can try to guess, and we can guess this is the blind SQL injection. So guys, again moving forward towards Boolean based SQL injection. Boolean based SQL injection also one of the part of blind SQL injection. So in this we are injecting some Boolean condition. You can see or 1 equal to 1 and 1 equal to 1, or and 1 equal to 2, yes or no something. Let's say, imagine you are playing a guessing game with a friend who loves animals. They are thinking of an animal, but they are only going to answer yes or no to your questions. So you need to figure out what animal they are thinking of based on their limited answer. So this is the case of Boolean based SQL injection, and now we are moving forward towards a technical thing. Think about what would happen if you entered something tricky into that search box, or something parameter like single quote or 1 equal to 1, and you can see the single quote also. So this is the Boolean condition, and there can be another Boolean condition possible, and 1 equal to 1 and 1 equal to 2, it is possible. The web now this or one single quote or one equal to one, how it is working in the back end. So the website programming might put your input into a code that talks to the database, like select star from products where name equal to single quote or one equal to one, and you can see some single quote also on the one, meaning this is the we are injecting single quote or one equal to one into the input parameter, and this is below the select star from. This query is working in the back end. So this is the scenario of blind or a boolean based SQL injection. Now moving forward towards time based SQL injection. Time based SQL injection also you can see or you can say that there can be something time based scenario. Like imagine you are playing a game where you have to guess a secret number, but there is a catch. After you guess, you have to wait for a few seconds after you are told if your guess is correct or not. Okay, means you guess something and you have to wait after your guessing, if your answer is right, or you can say if your guess is right or wrong. So let's see the technical scenario. We are injecting single quote, or you can say the main thing here is this sleep function. If we are giving the time, this 5 is nothing but the 5 second, means we are saying to the web application, this web application going to the sleep mode for 5 second. So if the web application actually going to the sleep mode for 5 seconds, then it is time based SQL injection. Let's see the backend or you can say backend of this SQL query, how it is working in the backend. Select star from products where name equal to single quote or, and this is the you can say the backend code. Our input is injecting into the database and actually working, and the web application going into the 5 second sleep mode. So this is the scenario of time based SQL injection. Again, we are moving towards out of band SQL injection. So out of band SQL injection, in this injection, it is rare. You can say this injection is rare, and we can say also external SQL injection. Imagine you are sending secret message to your friend using two tin cans connected by a string. You speak into one can and your friend listen through the other can. But sometimes you notice that when you speak, a nearby radio picks up your message and broadcast it. So this is the main scenario. Now I'm giving you the scenario. Think about what would happen if you enter something tricky into that parameter. You can say that can be search box. So now this is the query. You can see or one equal to one and semicolon and select a star from products where name like and the you can see single quote capital A and the percent symbol and a single quote. This is the main thing, and if we are injecting this our input working, or you can say interacting into the backend and interacting to the database, and it is working like you can see below select star from products where name equal to single quote or one equal to one and something scenario. Means if in the vulnerable web application the traditional SQL injection not working, the blind SQL injection types or blind SQL injection also not working, then there must be possibility of out of band SQL injection. So these are the types of SQL injection, and this is all about this video, types of SQL injection. So guys, learn more and more, and of course appreciate my videos and give real genuine feedbacks how I can improve. So this is all about guys this video. So thank you guys.